Welcome to Caught on Dashcam, the show that brings you all kinds of jaw-dropping moments from the world of driving, all through the lens of the onboard camera. The use of dashcams and phone cameras has exploded, with millions of us now capturing all the thrills and spills of the road, and we have selected the very best and most shocking, from close encounters with the absolute worst of drivers to the very best of animals. Momentous flash flood wipeouts to those moments that'll be sure to set off your waterworks.
Oh my gosh!
Police chases that'll thrill your senses, to traffic nightmares that'll, well, do the exact opposite. Hilarious mishaps to the mind-boggling bizarre. Idiots behaving like, well, idiots, to stunts that should simply never be attempted. We've got it all, caught on camera. And yes, we've even got those embarrassing moments you wish nobody knew about. Oof. So, time to strap yourself in and prepare for the ride of your life, as all seasons are available to stream now on Sky Go and Now TV. So, what are you waiting for? No, really, get a move on, Slow Coach. This is Caught on Dashcam.